Hello there. In this video I'll show how to increase or decrease virtual machine storage in Virtualbox. First, open the Virtualbox. Select the machine and go to the Virtual Media Manager from the File section. Then select the VDI file and open its properties. From here you can specify the storage you want to in your VM. I'm changing it from 15 GB to 25. Click Apply and the total storage will be changed to 25 GB. But here it still shows the actual size at 15. We have to expand the partition to use that storage. Go to the Start menu and search for Gparted tool. Here we have that unallocated 10 GB storage. Right-click on the main partition and select Resize. Then drag to the maximum and click Resize. And then apply all operations. It's as simple as that. Now I have 12 GB free storage in my VM. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot. I hope you're doing well and I wish you all the best.